acquiring this. So you are collecting the data about all these basic informations. You have the back pain, neck pain, or blood pressure, anything. So you are collecting all the data. One, it is a group classes. So they have invited for you one corporate yoga or a workshop to conduct 3 days, 4 days. For better, you can send advancedly a questionnaire. We can do it even online also. So even like one corporate yoga, or even I used to do, I will send the questionnaire. So the students will fill up and send to us. That HR will manage. Then I will understand. In case this time space we don't have, so we have to go directly and teach. We don't know anything. There are the group of employees or group of teams are there. We don't know anything. So how to manage? What to teach? What to teach? Mostly this will be decided by HR, the organizer. When we communicating that we will decide. No sir, they want for stress management. No sir, they want for weight reductions. No, they want for like a prenatal yoga. So mostly it will be fixed previously. Sometimes this we don't know anything. So we have to fix everything on spot instantly there only. No designing, nothing will be. We don't know anything. So this situation will happen. So it's like we are like in very stressful that time. So what? Because we don't know what kind of students and what they want. We don't know. So just you can brief introduction we can have. You can introduce yourself. I am so and so, and so then you can ask typically. So what you are expecting? Just 5 minutes communication maximum. So what you are expecting all? If it is a woman's, so we want the weight reduction. They will tell that only. If the woman's means, sir, I want for weight reduction. Mostly that's only the modern days the woman's ask. Okay, you want weight reduction practice, a style of yoga? Okay, fine. Okay, can you raise your arms? Anyone? How many of them having any knee issue? One, two are will. Yes, I have sir knee problems, sir. Yes, sir. Then you can ask slightly how long it was there. It comes. How many years been you have this problem? On and off, or it has been regular? No, sir, it has been very regular knee pain, sir. For 5 years I got the regular knee pain, sir. Some students may say, sir, it is coming on and off while when I strain too much, I get sir knee pain. How many of them having back pain? Okay, what is, how long you got the back pain? What is the, is it regular or it is coming on and off? It's very chronic. Anyone having the heart problem? Okay, blood pressure, heart problem is different, blood pressure is different. Someone will have the blood pressure high because of the heart problem. Someone even because of the mental stress or genetic hereditary, their blood pressure will be high. And you can ask anyone having kind of diabetes. This is the major issues we get. Normally, these are all the major problem we get. We have to consider heart, back pain and knee pain. This is the major area we have to ask.
Heart, knee, blood pressure.
Yeah, knee, back pain and heart problem, blood pressure. This is the major points. Any classes we get, this is the consider.
What will we do with that? How will we use that information in a group class? For individual, obviously.
That's what we have to ask them in group.
No, in group we asked. Some people have back pain, some people have knee pain. You got the information. Then in a group class, how will we use that information?
Yes.
So how you are implementing and designing the practice, right?
So you send them off. If someone said, yes, I have, for example, bypass or I have this peacemaker, so you said, sorry sir, you cannot attend this class?
Yes. As in the leave.
Such extremes, maybe we can tell no.
Because someone really cannot, maybe he heard, oh, it's healthy to move the body, and he thinks that yoga is a gentle thing, and they come because they are not knowledgeable. So how we can behave like to not hurt anybody? Maybe he drives, I don't know, long and pay already in the, for example, in the reception.
For yes, the almost the practice which we designing, which will be beneficial for mostly everyone. If it is not beneficial for them, for what is said, they are having the pacemaker, but that is they should be cared personally actually. That we should not consider. because they won't get benefit. For all the students are waiting for all the multi-community, multi-group, gender, okay? For them we are going to teach only the general yoga. General yoga. The normal yoga, the beginner's yoga. So for them who are having the heart problem, this is more, we should not teach for them, we should not consider them, we should not ask them to join.
So that is for extreme problems.
Extreme problems,
But
we should not.
normal, like someone says back pain is there. Now you are teaching forward bend, so you can tell that time whoever has
Yeah, you can
back
bend.
pain, you don't do this.
Yeah, we can, that's what we have to keep in the mind, so we can give the instruction. Who have the knee pain, don't do Vajrasana. Who having the back pain, bend the knees. Who having the heart problem, don't bend extreme forward or backward. So keep this point important. Who having the back pain, they should bend the knees. Who having the heart problem, they should not do the extreme acute forward or backward bend. That will strain the heart very much. While bending forward, it will strain the heart very much. While bending backward, it is the possibilities, that is the brain hemorrhage can happen. So that's what extreme forward backward bend is not good for heart related problems. Even the heart related persons can walk 1 hour without tired, but if you ask them to do Surya Namaskara 3-4 rounds, they feel difficult. Reason, the heart is strained too much.
So one more thing, sir, when you have take this group classes in corporate actually, then you should teach them one practice which they can do themselves daily at home, or it is just like if you teach few asanas.
We teach not like that they are going to practice home or not. Some students, they ask the sequence, then we send them personally, email them. Very few students will ask the rare students who are interested. Otherwise, they will practice only that time only. After that, they don't practice. So that's what we do when we are taking a class. What happens? There will be a multi-group. So what we do, first we teach only the yoga therapy or gentle yoga. So that everyone can able to practice. Okay? That's the best. So we do the neck movements, the wrist movements, this hands in and out, back strengthening, lumbar stretch, pranayama, savasana. So this practice can be done everyone. So everyone will get benefit. So we don't have to design anything separately. So like this we take the group. If the group is, students are multi-group, so start with very mild practice, so which will be beneficial for everyone. Like a gentle yoga or called yoga therapy. So that will beneficial for every students.
I think each class should be prophylactic. Have a goal, prophylactic. So people doing yoga to not be ill, but not ill people coming to heal themselves. This is like, I think.
No, I'm not getting it.
No. Like so classes not one-to-one, because one-to-one it can be heal yoga. Like you can really put attention to this person,
Yes.
adjust asanas. But when you create the class, which 1 hour class, it should have like a prophylactic reason, like people become more healthy, practice this, but they can, maybe this is...
What she is trying to say, if yoga class is to be healthy or live a healthy life. It's not that ill people come here to get treated.
Yes, in the class, if they want one-to-one, so yes, I can adjust because you have knee problems, we can adjust special asanas for you, like a set of asanas, exercise which can help you heal.
Yeah, if they are having multi-issues, they can use, then they can, that is the better is the personal training, individual care.
Yes.
If they join in group class, we cannot focus only for that
Exactly.
students.
So we can say, I think, like this, because...
For example, Dr. Rajesh teaching 5 students. So Mr. Amar got knee problem. Whether she will focus on these 5 students vinyasa, whether she will teach the yoga therapy for this Amar.
Because look, when 20 people come to your...
But of course, myself I manage 2-3 track also. Simultaneously we manage like that. We manage. Myself we manage 2-3 tracks also. Here is general class, one person will have breathing problem, serious, one person will have the knee problem. So 3 we will be keep on coordinating. But that already they know the practice, then we can tell you, okay, do this practice. Like that we will guide it.
But I think it will come with experience, like you
With
are a teacher.
experience, you should have the multi perception, observing. The same time you should be able to analyze everything.
That we can do only after practicing few
Yeah.
couple of years at least.
Yes, we need experience. We need. So we should know about what the practice and what the students, what will happen and all. We should know that before. So mostly we know that what happened.
No, because it's almost 6.
You want to go home?
Yeah, at
Oh
6
my
o'clock he will come. So
Oh,
I said that max 6 o'clock.
oh, okay. So your driver is fixing your class. I am not fixing.
So till what time you will?
Okay. So even house also, the maid will fix the schedule of the house. Not husband and wife fixing the schedule in Bangalore, you know.
Maid fixes.
Maid fix, the
Maid,
servant
maid.
fix what times he wants to come. So according to that, husband and wife will fix their schedule.
Yes, correct. The house
Housemaid.
maid who comes for cleaning the house.
I-
They fix our schedule.
Oh, okay.
Like my maid comes at 5 a.m. every day. So we have to wake up at 4:45 because she will come at
She
5.
will come.
What he is trying to say for you, your driver is creating a
Driver is
schedule.
okay.
He has to come at 6, that's why you have to leave at 6.
Yes. No, because before I said him B5, but then
Fine, where he left, we complete this topic. Means we will complete what we are dealing now.
no.
We'll finish it.
But I still have 10 minutes. So
Once they have very serious issue, means that better to go personal training them. Don't mix with a group. Otherwise, very difficult. We cannot be able to heal or take care of them. So instead of getting a benefit, they will get the negative impact. So it's not. Don't take.
because
So
when
if it is some kind of minor problems and all, we can manage ongoing class for it. But when it is very serious or clinical or very serious problems, then we should not take in a group. Even many students in Bangalore we have seen, they won't take a personal training because they want to go in a group class because reason they don't want to expense the money. Even I suggest when they having the kind of the multi problems, I suggest them take a personal training 2 or 3 months. After that you can join in a group class
Yes.
because you need a personal care first. But they don't want to expense money. Why we should waste the money? Let join in the group class. After that what happened? They don't get a benefit.
yes, because it is mentality.
They don't get the benefit. They never get. They are not going to get benefit. Never. Because when you go to the group class, what they will teach? What is the common general? That only will teach. Because of the general public and general health only they will teach. They won't focus on only you.
What are the charges in Poland?
So personal training in Poland it starts from zloty. My currency is zloty.
In dollar,
So it starts $25.
Per hour?
For 45 minutes, it's
$25.
maximum 1 hour, so it's $25.
international standard.
But for example, in US, when I have training, it was $115 for 1 hour. So can you see the
It's
difference?
actually the personal training is very costly. Only highly rich people only will take the personal training.
Yeah, I have, for example, doctors,
Even I used to take
lawyers,
personal training.
um,
Like in studios, because it's very high
company,
price.
they have own companies, people.
It's like a package, 20 hours, 30 hours. They will sell it for like
I
a
have also
$1,000
students
like that.
Because I think it's selling point. You need to be a seller also.
So that
Keep
means
every business.
only the VABs, very big business people only, they will book that kind of class who have the plenty of money. So I have seen some of my students, they will book me. I will just go with them for restaurant and just they won't care whether I take class or not. Just they want to spend time with me. They don't want to class. So like that.
It's good to study yoga in India and teach outside.
Yeah, no, because in Westerns also they have contributed for the application of Hatha Yoga. Okay, they have the good contribution towards the application aspect. Like a teaching methodology only they have only developed. Before in India we don't have such resource like a Kinsey Ledger biomechanism. Mostly the Westerners their contributions, their effort. But anyhow, they got the source from India only by using this. By their knowledge and they created the new. So whatever style of yoga, all based from Indian knowledge only they have created.
But yes, a group class, for example, is $20 if you have 1 hour. So a group. If you have 4 classes, for example, 1 hour.
यहाँ 200 रुपये
So she will conduct a separate class like a yoga nidra workshop, like Hatha Yoga workshop, Hatha Yoga class, Vinyasa, Ashtanga, okay, Pranayama. So like you can make very separate. This is actually we make like this. So here we are learning most of the practice in together. We don't make it separate. So a lot of practice are involved. I reduced actually number of techniques. I removed because of I cannot able to teach everything. Because we don't get the time consistency, very difficult. Like Sukshma Yama I was teaching, I stopped that. Like Bhagavad Gita I was teaching 18 chapter, I reduced, only kept 6 chapter.
टाइम आप
So this is the enquiring a new students.
सर हमारा भी टाइम नोट करो, सर हमारा घर बार है
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.